Good day, everyone. How's it going? You're here with your boy Angel, or just Angel, should I say? You're catching me trading on my live account for gold. We're gonna see what's popping today. Well, I was up £5. Okay, now I am up £5 still. Okay, fair enough. So the trade mechanics, the trade chart is looking good. There is a oof. What is that? Hold on, hold on. That's not good. That means uh, that means that we're looking to. There might be a pullback soon. Oh mate, oof! I gotta take it with a pinch of salt, man. That CVD isn't up to scratch yet. I still haven't like figured out a few things on it. Right, we're trading the 15 seconds. I'm on a live account, 30 times leverage, and I put £1.50 per pip movement. So we are currently moving up, which is the direction we want to be going in. Because we took a buy. We took a buy. Okay, that P&L's going down. I mean, I think that pullback might be coming up soon, you know. No, no, it's going down, mate. It's going down. It's gonna go down, so I need to protect my stop loss. Hold on. Alright, I'm just gonna move my stop loss above break even, so capital preservation, as they say. So far the biggest move I've seen is like 15 pips. Yeah, 15 pips. I would have got £15 profit um, earlier on, but I messed it up, and it was actually up here. So I entered here, went up to here. I thought it would retouch it, and it didn't. It just went back down. I was like, oh, I missed £15. Broke even. Took a sell, and then took a slight loss. So it's been touch and go today, man. Touch and go. Like I could have made money, but for whatever reason, I'm just not making. I'm not getting the hits, man. I'm getting. It's hard to explain. It's like I know when to enter. I just don't know when to exit. So knowing when to exit is the next part of it. So right now I'm just taking trades. If I break even, I break even. If I don't, I take a small loss, and I just keep chugging away. Just keep executing. Keep practicing. You know, keep at it, man. Like, if this is correct and the regime is changing, which I believe it is, because RSI is now confirmed out of the, well, it will be out of the 55 range very soon, and once it does, that's a confirmed buy. But we already entered on a buy. Yeah, RSI just tapped the 55 line. That's cool. So we have no reason to suspect that this is gonna go down or against us. However, my CVD is like no other CVD, and my CVD right now is saying that we haven't, even though price keeps going up, we haven't even gone up. So I reckon there's something going on here that I'm not being told. So the buy pressure is actually quite strong. So maybe that's why we're seeing the divergence. But the CVD is making a lower low and price is making a higher high. So we're gonna see how long this upward momentum lasts, but I don't think it's gonna last for long. I just don't think it will. We might have to get out soon. Alright, cool. I think we might have to just stop now. So we're gonna click this, and press. Should we cancel this trade? That's the problem. Should I cancel this trade? Everything is screaming at me to say no. My brain is telling me to get out. My mind is telling me to stay in. My brain wants to get out of this trade, but my intuition is telling me to stay. Sometimes price and CVD don't correlate as well, so there is that as well. But right now, my CVD is saying downward, 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 downward. So I don't know, man. I mean, it's been correct thus far, so. But like I said, price and CVD don't always correlate. So if I'm seeing green, I'm gonna go long. If I'm seeing green on my chart, I go long. If I see buy signals, I go long. If I see my RSI breaking EMAs and the 50 and touching the 55, I'm going long. Even though CVD is telling me, oh, this might be there might be a bearish divergence coming up. So we'll see, man. But right now it seems to be breaking the anchor wave, and it's now finally broken through. Or has it? I can't tell. Hold on. Hold on, man. Hold on. Ah, I tapped it. Yeah, it's going down. That bullish divergence is going down as well. Alright, cool. So we need to get out of here. We need to get out. 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 Or maybe not. I mean, it's keeping the $5 mark, the £5 mark. Sorry. We haven't seen a red from my quad stochastic, so that's interesting. I don't like it when my indicators squish, and just like condense. Everything's green. CVD is the only thing that's saying it's not green. Quad stochastic is green. Bloody hell! I don't know what to do. Just don't know what to do. No, I think we're good. I think we are good. I think it's just the market trying to psych me out. I think the market's psyching me out. I'm pretty sure it is. Alright, 177. Cool. Alright, so pips is 0. Pips is. Just do 1. Yeah, alright, cool. We'll keep it like that, and I just modified that. Order was replaced. Yeah. I think we're good. We just need to break this high up here. 83. RSI is keeping above 55, which means that relative strength is really good. is also not very close from the EMA. So let's just zoom in a little bit. This is nerve wracking, man, nerve wracking. This is like next level nerves. What I don't like is I'm not seeing the big candles. I'm not seeing the big boom, 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 boom. Like I'm not on the top side of the 200 EMA. So that's one thing I'm concerned about, and it hasn't broke past $7 yet. £7. Oh, it's starting to. It's starting to, but the candles are really, really small. Okay, RSI is building momentum. Yeah, we're looking good. We're looking good. Everything's looking good. Squad stochastic is looking good. CVD, however, is telling. Okay, so we finally broke above the anchor wave. That's good. That is actually very, very good. It's probably doing a little pullback there. Alright, let me just zoom in on that because it's not very visible. So I've got a couple of things going on my screen. I've got the cloud, like an MFI reader, an RSI, multi-time frame RSI, quad stochastic. So it only went green after this pullback and then went up. So I've got redundancies, man. Like I just want to make sure I'm not being fooled by something. Finally the CVD, so look, it broke, did the pullback, and then went straight up. That white line is basically aggressive buyers. Right, that's cool. We are good to go. We are making dough right now. Look at that. 12, 13, 12. Making back some money. Let's see if we can get to 500 today, because that was the starting balance. In fact, if I'm not mistaken, what's my target? What's my target? Hold on. Oh, 418. So is that plus 418? Yeah. Cool. And right now we are on. So our target should be about 615, and we are currently, let's say 615, and we are currently at 430. We need to get 185 quid. I mean, that's a lot. There we go. We got some momentum kicking in. Amazing. About time as well. About flipping time. Look at that. CVD's going through the roof. Look at that. Boom. So this was the actual kickoff right here. Right here. This candle. Boom. Alright, we're doing good now. Look, man, I don't trip myself up. Like, at first I used to be like, oh, I want to get the first possible maximum entry, earliest entry. So it would be things like, oh yeah, it's gonna go down. I mean, yeah, I mean, sometimes I try and, like, for example, I wouldn't be able to, I wouldn't know that I could enter here to go long. How would you know that? What confluences are you looking to see, like, and how would you even figure that out? Obviously, this is central VWAP, this white line here, and obviously price tapped toward it and then tapped it twice. Okay, cool. So maybe I could have exited here for my TP, but then how do I know it's gonna reverse? You see, like, how do I know that this was the high? So that's the lower low and that's the higher low. How would I know that if it didn't rebound up where it crossed the main WMA up here? How would I know that? I wouldn't. Exactly. So I'm not gonna beat myself up over it. Like, if I get the entry, I get the entry. If I don't, I don't. You know, there's no point beating yourself up over late entries and stuff. Right, so we are still... I mean, we're at £15 right now. And price is having a pullback. I have to tell myself there's a pullback. I mean, I don't know how far back this pullback is gonna go, but I'm assuming at least to the previous high. So 183.30. Like, that's just standard. Everything else says we're above. Alright, cool. This is just a pullback. I have to just tell myself it's just a pullback, Angel. Don't need to just scramble out of the trade. Just keep the trade going. Just keep it going. Alright, cool. We are £14 up. We have to make 185 to reach £615. I hope you guys are enjoying the live trading session right here. I mean, it's live in the sense that I'm actually trading it as I'm recording, but yeah, it's not going to be a live recording. I do not have the hardware to do live, and sadly I found that out. When I found that out, I was very upset, but there's nothing I can do about it. Right, green smoothie just to stay alert. Alright, so see, 2-bar pullback, it's already going back up. Or creating a doji candle of some sort. In any case, price is above the 200 moving average. That's cool. We don't need to think about that any further. Alright, cool. Let's have a look here. Right, let's see. So yeah, guys, for those of you who are new, we are a new trading channel. I mean, these are all some of these are a lot of what you see on my screen is custom made. Like, I don't like to use other people's indicators solely because I can't. I think it just boils down from the fact that if I didn't create it, I can't understand it. I don't know. Maybe it's just me. I don't know. But sometimes it just feels that way to me. Like, I need to understand why something was created before I can say, oh yeah, you know. Alright, let's go back to, let's see video. What's video saying? Oh, we got a store. What on earth? Wow. I did not know there was a store. What? 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 No flipping way, bruv. I did not know this was a thing, bruv. Oh my god. Trend. Wow, this is nuts. I did not know this existed at all. Wow. Big Beluga. Wow. Ziaman. $95. No way, bro. No way am I doing that. F that. Alright. Yeah, that's the one. Bloody hell. I'm looking for this flipping indicator and I can't even see it. Right, so we had about £20 profit and now it's just completely gone back against us. I don't understand why. I'm sure we're going to figure that one out in a second. RSI is still holding the buy position. So is CVD. Um, Look, even video is saying we're good to go, boy. Alright, now the length is going to be interesting because it's going to be 800. 800 is equivalent to, I think, the 200 EMA on the 1 minute time frame. Yeah, the momentum is fine. Distance factor for upper and lower, we'll just keep it to standard 2, not 20. 2. Yep, we're just gonna keep that as the default. We're gonna save, and that's it. Right, this is interesting. Right, anyway, my stop loss is literally on my entry level, so oh, what a shame, man. What a shame. The trade just went against us again. I mean, the funny thing is my CVD indicator did say there was some sort of like a bullish, bullish, sorry, not bullish, bearish divergence happening, and this is probably it. So that's a bit of a weird one. Okay, yeah, we're going back up. We're going back up, guys. Don't worry, it was just a glitch, momentary glitch. That's weird. Basically, the entire day has just been bullish. Interesting. Interesting. Okay, that's interesting for sure. I moved one of the indicators by accident. There we go. Just save that. We're getting close to the news though, which is not ideal. And the news is going to be happening at, what time is that? 2 o'clock. Wow, 2 o'clock, guys. And what's the news? Let's see. Existing home sales. Wow. Previous was 391. Forecast is 389. Well, either way, it's not going to be. I think it's going to be good for gold overall, but. Right, so we managed to have a little pullback. That's cool. What I'm going to do is get that TP down Yeah, that TP needs to come down, boy, and modify that. Hopefully it hits it. If it does, it does. If it doesn't, then I mean, what can I do? Technically, everything seems to be going okay, so I don't see any issue going long. The only thing I'm concerned about is, oh wait, no, that's a bullish divergence. Yeah, that's cool. Yeah, we're good, man. Yeah, bullish divergence, cool. Yeah, we're going long, boy. I'm using 1.5. I mean, I'm not supposed to because it's using a lot of my free margin. Yeah, so okay, we got aggressive buyers joining. So hopefully, here's hoping it hits the TP. I'm hoping it hits the TP because that TP is a premium. Uh, 89, 180, 189. Alright, cool. Let's do 189 then. Done. Done. 189.50. Nice, we made some money. Hallelujah. Look at that. Wow, that candle's strong. That's crazy, bro. I'd rather lock in that profit, man. The amount of profit I've just left on the table today is just ridiculous. Oh my god. Oh my god. What is this? Yikes. That's US Open right there for you. Dang. Oh, mate, it is exploding. What did I do there? Oh, my days. Oh. I left so much money on the table, man. What was I thinking, bruv? Oh. Literally half the candle. Half the candle. Oh, my God. Oh, my gosh. Oh, I should have known US would have been opening at 1 o'clock, man. Good grief. There's no point entering now. No point entering now anymore. Absolutely no point entering right now. Flip. That was a that was a miscalculation, man. Hui. I mean, look, I'm happy we locked in some profits, but that was a massive miscalculation. Where was my hold on. My original, yeah, it was here. Oh my gosh. It would have hit it. Yeah, it would have hit it. It would have hit my original TP. And I moved it closer because I saw this massive pullback. and these slow candles going up. It's like, oof, it's looking like it's losing momentum. It's like, oh my gosh, what was I doing, man? So now this is the peak, 5200. So I can't enter. I can't enter until I see a pullback or something. I can't enter that. I'm sorry, it's not happening. I'm not about to give back my profits. I'm sorry. We need to be a bit more rational here, even though this is the 15-second time frame. Whoops, my bad. Wow, guys, you just saw me win a trade, and a decent one at that. Alright, let's clear the table, hold on. Okay, it's, I don't know, I don't know, how long is this again? It's like 5 minutes, right? There you go, that's the first red candle there. Managed to make some money, so that's good. But yeah, man, it's just massive miscalculation. Massive, absolutely massive miscalculation. I don't know what I was thinking there. And the funny thing is, my CVD told me, it's like, look, we've got a massive divergence, bullish divergence, and then what happened? Tick, 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 tick. Consolidated for a bit, and then went boom to the absolute moon, mate. Oh, mate. Don't know what to say, guys. Don't know what to say. Don't know what to say. Oh, man. Damn. How much profit did I lock in? It was about 24, 25, but the movement was like 3 times the amount. So if the movement was 3 times the amount, I could have possibly have made 75 quid. Yes, I know.
Excuse me, is there any food shops or anything like that around there?
Food shops?
We ran this way, so I'm not sure where we live.
Okay, otherwise, the only other place like chicken and chips is on Power Road. The Sam's Chicken. There's not really a lot of places on there.
Yeah. Oh, tool stations up there as well, isn't there?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, we've got all sorts of places.
Yeah, we got. I actually have the live.
No, I've got the light. Yeah. But it's all sorts. Yeah. So we'll get a little one now. So why?
It's not a big easy.
Yeah. That's the thing about it. Because the thing you said, I thought it was
Sorry about that, guys. I'm back now. I should have went. I should have did my thing in it. I should do that. I'll be right back. But it's cool. At least you can just keep an eye on the chart, anyways. Right. Sorry, that was. Oh God, the sun is just. Oh, why me, man? Yeah, the sun is glaring on my screen, but it's cool. It's cool. It's cool, man. Wow, that was a massive, absolutely massive move. That was crazy. It's too late now. I can't rejoin it. No, I can't. I can't rejoin. Nah, I can't. I mean, there needs to be a significant pullback. That pullback is just nothing. That's just nothing, mate. That's just nothing. That was like 1/3 of the move. Like that's nothing. It's like, oh my days. Yo, I can't believe I missed. Oh man. Oh man, the target was 185 and I could have made 75 quid just now. Oh, wow. Just slap me in the face, why don't you? Oh, mate. Oh, mate, that's just. I'm really ticked off now. Really, really ticked off. Like, that's just ticked me right off, mate. Fuck. Great. Now it's how the hell do I find a good? I mean, I can't even trade gold now, so I might as well just go to GU and see what's going on there. Oh, same thing. Okay. Same thing is going on there. Yeah, I think 800 is a bit too much. I mean, 800 is a bit too much, so I might need to just adjust that because, yeah, I didn't expect it to be like that. Bloody hell. Alright, cool. Right, okay, so it's had a similar movement, if not greater. I mean, that move is just insane. See, look, even the video is I mean, it's a decent indicator. I quite like the video, but for me, I would have entered right about. I would have entered about here. It wouldn't have been here. It would have been about. Oh yeah, I would say here. I would say here. From there to there, that's already 5 pips. Let's say 5 pips. 4 pips. 4, 5 ish. I would say 5. Um. Okay, cool. Yeah, I would say about 5. So the video is decent, but my setup is a little bit more decent. See, look, from here to here is 5 pips already. So I'm already 5 pips up. Wow, GU is crashing. So let's go back to gold, see what's going on there. Yeah, nothing's really going on. Oh man, what a trade. What an absolute beast of a trade, boy. Wow, look at that. Look at that. See, look, video would have went bam, entered on the pullback or the touch of the band. Yeah, go up. I mean, this is what I'm saying, man. It just depends on what you're using. See, look, it's about 4 pips, 4.5 ish. It would have been 5 if it was from here. Sorry, from, yeah, roughly about here. Yeah, cool. Yeah, it's about 5 pips. See, 5 pips from the cloud to this to the first pullback. It's about 5 pips. But obviously, video was up all the way up here, but then it rebounded on here. So yeah, it's about. So if I go from the highest point, yeah, it's about 5 pips, man. Same. Video's decent, but my setup is more decent. So I mean, I'm just happy about that. I used to use video, but I don't anymore. Um, it was part of my setup, and then I just decided that there were better ways to get earlier, more reliable entries than video. In any case, let's see what gold is doing. It's currently on an uptrend. There's no blue signals, or blue alert signals, should I say. Right, we are getting a double, if not triple, shoulders here. I'll show you. So 1, 2, 3. There you go. That is your head and shoulders, pretty much. The question is, does the momentum die, or does it keep going? In my opinion, it's going to keep going. And the reason for that is very simple. Number one, it's only just started to get oversold, and that's only on this portion here, this latter portion here. Let me do a little box here. Oh yeah, I elongate my boxes. Whoops. And yeah, I mean, it's quite annoying to turn off and on, but it is what it is. RSI is looking to go up. CVD is looking to go up. So, and in most cases, price normally hits around here anyway. So before it does a reversal. So I don't believe it's gonna reverse anytime soon. Oh, sorry, excuse me. I'm so tired. I'm absolutely exhausted. Alright, cool. Alright, we'll just keep an eye on it. We'll just keep an eye on that. Okay. Wasn't that far off. That's crazy. Yep, it's moving higher. I mean, I should have probably evented then if I knew it was going to go higher. Why didn't I do that? Why did I do that? Come on, Angel. Come on, Angel. You knew it was going to go up. You knew. You actually knew it was going to go up. And you didn't enter. Why? Why didn't you do that? Why didn't you do that? You even had one last buy signal just over here. Just over here. Which means that there was momentum. Why, Angel? Come on. If anything, you should have entered on the pullback. You should have entered. Come on, Angel, man. Come on. Why didn't you enter this trade again? Why? Oh, mate. Oh, mate. Mm, 850, 859. Okay. 859. Come on, Angel. Come on. You knew that it was you literally just had a box there. Look, let's go back. Hold on. You just drew a box there and it hit it. So you knew where it was gonna go. And you didn't take the trade, Angel. You didn't take the trade. Why? Sorry guys, I'm really annoyed. I'm really annoyed today. I'm really annoyed. I've lost about 2 trades today. I've broken even quite a few times. And that one trade that went 3x beyond, I mean, yeah, the one that I just profited off just now went 3x and it actually hit my original TP. And I didn't, I amended my, oh. I'm just upset, guys. Sorry. It's just that I'm trying to like at least aim for £100 a day. So yeah, let me just take this call. I'll be right back. Yeah. What's up? Yeah. Alright, I'm back, guys. Sorry about that. As you can see, price has... My God. I could have re-entered. I could have re-entered multiple times. Yeah, because I... Oh, hold on. Where was it? Yeah, this is the... Yeah. Okay, cool. I remember now. Yeah. So, here... We was here, yeah? And I was like, should I exit this trade? Should I actually exit this trade from this point on? It was about 1:53 p.m. Sorry, 12:53 p.m. Sorry. And I'm thinking, rah. Should I not? Anyway, we held on because everything was saying, all the metrics were saying, yeah, no, we're good, man, we're good, we're going long, bro. Okay, fine. And then we get a buy. Cool. Originally, my TP was like somewhere over here. I then reduced it to here. I don't know why I did that. I could have re-entered over here. I didn't. I don't know why. Because it still went back up like crazy. Even more so. So even though I lowered my TP and I got the TP that I was looking to get in the short term, that's fine. That's cool. But why didn't I re-enter when it went here and when it touched the ribbon here? And what time was that? That was like what? Yeah, 6 minutes past 1. I could have re-entered and I didn't. I chose not to. And then from this point on here, it was just oversold. Now it's gone beyond 3 extreme, 3 plus VWAP extreme, which is actually quite significant. So usually when it touches this red area in the VWAP, which is the 2, the 2.5 and the 3, alongside the RSI is saying, oh, you know, we're kind of overbought right now. Yeah, we're kind of overbought. See all that red line there. So this will be the time when I want to be selling. Yeah, as soon as I probably see some sort of reversal or a MACD signal or you know, maybe my first red dot or something like that. Oops, hold on. This thing is just, man, I don't know what I was doing, man. I don't know what I was thinking. Mate. I made the right call. To go and buy, but I made the wrong calls in terms of where I put my TP, in terms of re-entering the trade, because there was clearly enough momentum. I could have hit that. I could have exited like 3 or 5 minutes ago. I could have exited 5 minutes ago with at least £90 profit. And if you're wondering how I got £90 profit, I'll show you. I can't believe it. This was a good trade, and I messed it up just because I didn't want it to fall back on me. Oh my days! Look at this. How many pips is that? 57. Okay, roughly 57. Let's just say 57 for argument's sake. 57 pips times 1.6, 91.2, and I exited at £25. Oh my god, bro. Oh my god, man. I'm fuming. But hey, guys, look. At the end of the day, we didn't lose money. We made money overall. We made about, I don't know, 20 quid, something like that, which is ridiculous for an entire morning of trading. But 20 quid is better than nothing. That's basically a free lunch, yeah? Free buffet lunch. So, obviously the goal is to make £100 a day. We're gonna get there, man. We're gonna get there. We're gonna record these sessions as many times as we need to like, you know, to train our brain to, you know, to think optimally. Because right now, anyway, yeah, so it went at 5200, it went up another 30 pips on top of that, which is actually quite substantial. Well, 28.74. My days, oh my days, man. Oh my days, I just don't know what to say. But yeah, my system seems to be working. I'm starting to get, like, what's the word? I'm starting to familiarize myself with what I'm looking out for, what I need to look out for, what, you know, the signs, you know. Wow. I mean, that was just, oh god. Cheer up, Angel. Cheer up. Cheer up. Cheer up, man. Oh look, we got the first sell signal, so that's basically our first sign to get out. And that level would have been 52.10. Yeah, so you could have taken profit at 52.28, 52.28, or you could have taken profit at, yeah, 52.10. Because now we've got the first sell signal, which is obviously price breaking through the WMA, which is over here, and then obviously we've got a triangle here being printed by the RSI after being oversold. This gives it more weight. CVD just turned negative, so if I zoom in, look, see, it's negative. CVD is negative. So anyway, guys, that's it for me today. That's the place where I thought it was going to hit my TP. It blew past that and then retouched it again on the way back down. So this would have been a really good place to have put my TP, around the 2.5 VWAP mark. So there was nothing else beside that. I don't think there was any higher of day than that. No, there wasn't. No, there wasn't. Ugh. Pardon me, very, very tired. I'm literally going to take a little siesta. But as you can see, it went all the way to, yeah, 3 plus VWAP. So right now it's most likely going to go down, especially the angle at which price was declining was about 45 degree. So if price is dropping 45 degrees or somewhere around that, and from an overbought and extreme VWAP, and it breaks the HMA, we're looking to sell. Yeah, we're looking to sell. And look, it's now starting to turn red. So right now, technically, I should be selling. But I'm not going to trade anymore. I think my brain has just had enough now. So I'm done trading. Thank you so much for tuning in today, guys. Until the next time, I'll catch you later. From your boy, Just Angel. Peace.